Am I a prisoner?
All of Ravka is.
We're here with Popsugar to play Who's Most Likely To.
Hi, I'm Jessie Mei Li and I play Alina Starkov.
I'm Archie Renaux and I play Mal.
I'm Ben Barnes and I play General Kirigan.
Hello, I'm Freddy Carter and I play Kaz Brekker.
I'm Amita Suman, I play Inej.
I'm Kit Young. I play Jesper in Shadow and Bone.
Ben, because no.
It's the running theme coming there.
Kit, because he really is just that smooth and cool.
And charming.
Yeah, seconded.
I'll take that. I'll take that as a badge of honour. I'm very happy to collect this award for being the most like character. Thank you, Archie. I deserve this.
No worries, mate.
I feel like everyone. I'm going to say Ben's read them all.
He's got them on screen there.
No, I haven't.
Oh, you haven't?
Can someone remove him from the chat, please?
Yeah. I have read them all.
Oh,
Kit has.
Yeah, I was going to
I
say
should have known
Kit.
that. Kit. Damn.
I definitely think it's Kit. And I definitely also think it's Freddy.
Yay!
Aw.
Yeah.
Which means that
You
Amita is the
too.
one doing the giggling.
Great job.
Yeah. We did have some days, didn't we, where we just
Yeah.
couldn't work.
Yeah, and it was wonderful.
Ooh. I would say Archie. But when you start something, you go all the way. And if you did
What?
start, I'd feel like you'd... No. Oh, come on. I'm trying to give it back to you now, right? I think because lots of people on TikTok have a thing that they do. And I feel like if you did sax videos
Headbutts.
or something...
Oh,
Headbutts.
there's-
But if you started playing
Yeah.
music on there, I'd be like, yeah, I'd follow him.
That's a tricky one. Amita has had such an incredibly interesting life,
Yeah.
And-
Yeah.
Actually, that's such a good shout.
and I just think she'd be endlessly fascinating to watch.
It would definitely be something you've never seen before.
The Suman Show.
The Suman Show. Oh
that
my
is
God.
very good. Well done.
Oh, I don't know actually. I'm going to go with Freddy. I feel Freddy would write a really good
Yeah.
novel.
Yeah, I agree.
New York Times bestseller.
Very, very
Freddy
creative.
Carter. Frederick
Although,
Carter.
I
Thanks.
completely agree, but although I'm pretty sure, not amongst us, but Cal, who plays Matthias, I'm pretty sure he's currently doing that.
Yes,
He's already
he
written
is.
Yeah.
I have been reading it, and it's wonderful.
Oh, amazing.
I'm so
Go
excited.
on.
It's gonna sound like I've got a crush on him, but I have to go with Kit again. just because I don't know. When I think of Broadway, I think of musicals, and just he's a brilliant stage actor, and he's a great dancer, singer, musician. So he's a real all rounder.
Well, thank you. I mean, when we do Shadow and Bone the musical on Broadway, you can all come and see it.
Oh, thanks. Free
Oh, yeah.
tickets, at least.
Is it a preordained thing? Is it me? Am I the answer?
It's got to be you, man. It's
Gotta be you.
Plan this. What does Stan mean? LOL is that for lots of love?
Thanks for watching, and go watch Shadow and Bone.